So this is the Flyin Miata remote microphone attachment. It's something I designed. This is actually a prototype, so it doesn't have the pass-through hole that the production one has for a zip tie. So this one's a little bit different than the one that they actually sell on the website, but the principle is still the same. This is to attach to what I designed as a license plate bolt. And that way you can get nice exhaust sounds without the wind buffeting that you would with typical microphone attachments. I've designed it to be compatible with DJI or the Rhodes remote microphones. These are the wireless microphones. They've got a clip on the back. I think you can see where this is going. I clip it to the back of this and it's pretty good. You know, it's got plenty of room in the back depending on what your clip looks like. You know, you can adjust it to how you want it to sit. I typically put it in that kind of groove there at the clip, but you know, depending on what you want to do, it's all up to you. So, and then the production one, like I said, has a hole here so you can run a zip tie through the whole shenanigans there and have a little bit more secure. Now this also comes with, I run it with one of the fuzzy attachments you know, connected here, so it cuts down a little bit of wind noise that is present. And yeah, so that's kind of it. I'll show you the mic settings that I use when I use it on my 911. And it's just attached by one screw there. So I just pop it on and I keep it on the car. It doesn't cover up the any of the numbers or anything like that, so it doesn't seem to be a problem. This is DJI receiver. Put it up here. You can see it's got one of the microphones is attached. It's getting noise. Is I do go into transmitter settings. Did I change that? I can't. No, I did not change that. It's off. The transmitter gain I set to 6 dB negative, right? So that's going to let you run a pretty loud exhaust. I think the 911 at 15 feet when I was autocrossing is like 96 dB. So, you know, this is right at the exhaust, right? So it's pretty loud, but negative 6 dB seems to be a pretty sweet spot for it. And yeah, it just kind of works. And so I will put a clip in the video here to show you what it sounds like from one of my autocrosses. Thanks. And it's available from Flyin Miata. It's like $5. So next time you're buying something from Flyin Miata, just put that in the cart. And it's a cool little thing for track days and autocross and cruises around, you know, whatever fun things you're gonna do, just to kind of get you better video. You know, a lot of videos, they're just wind noise and things like that. So this kind of gives you the visceral experience of your exhaust as you're going through the gears. Thanks. So this is the unit attached to where I designed it to attach, which is a license plate bolt. You've got the hook here, obviously, to clip the microphone on, and then that gives you a nice sound of the exhaust. And because it's, you know, behind here, right, you don't get that wind noise. At least it's minimized. So that's it.
One.